Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024 June 19th. So today we'll be cover all these stocks in these screens, and we starting with the disclaimers. All the stock mentioned in this video is serving as learning purposes. It's not buying selling call for the viewer subscriber. Let's starting with the overnight US markets. So we check on the US market. We can see over here S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq all closing pretty much considering flat, up slightly considering flat. And okay, we check on the news. Dow Jones Future, Nasdaq, S&P steady on the soft retail sales, Nvidia super micro rise. S&P climbed to another record close Tuesday, and Nvidia market cap tops Microsoft. So we can see that all over the news is about the Nvidia is now most valuable companies. S&P clings to record high, so 100 level. So and then the next would be the NVD S&P 500. We check on S&P 500. S&P 500 is now 5487 level and still on the uptrend. There's nothing much to talk about, and the Dow Jones is still moving sideways, closing at 38,834 points. So there's nothing much we can check on current stage. Maybe we go through some of the commodity at this moment. Commodity crude oil would be $80 a barrel right now, and the gold is still strong at 2,300 level. We can see that after the climbing higher, it's still moving sideways for nearly 2 months times. So the moving average is now starting to moving sideways at current stage, which is 20 and 50-day moving average. We will need to monitoring, see whether the trending, is there any changing on the major trendings. So the major support will be somewhere around 2270, 80, 2280. We can draw a line right over here, 2280. So it's somewhere around here, the major support. See, if it broken this level, it will coming down lower. So at current stage, still moving sideways. So the next would be the coppers. Copper is now, it has been rallying for the early of this year's, rallying very strong, all the way to $5 something. So now it's now pulling back, healthy pulling back. I would say still healthy pulling back at current stage. So we need to monitor and see whether the copper will climbing higher or not, because we need to check on these commodities to judge whether the inflation will be coming in again or not. So we check on the soybean. Soybean is still moving sideways after the dropping, downtrending. Now it's moving sideways. It seems to be there's a trending stabilizing, but the past few days the soybean is dropping pretty much fierce, dropping 3%, 1%, somewhere around there. So we can check on the trending. Yes, this one is the trending. So the downtrend still remain. I would say the bearish sentiment in the soybean is still strong. So we will need to monitoring, is there any rebounding trend or not. So okay, after all these things, we come back to the Malaysia market. Malaysia market is overall trending. Short term is downtrending. It's bearish bias. Over the medium long term, the trending is still moving upside, which is uptrending, because the moving average 20 days, 50 days is still sloping upside. 20 days seems to be moving sideways already. So we can see that there are multiple red candlesticks, open high, close low, open high, close low, open high, close low, continuously multiple days, but the major trending is still moving upside. We can draw a major trend changing line, which is somewhere around 1600 level. So we put it pink color. Able to see, is it? We put it light blue. It's right here, 1600 level. So if it drop below this level, the trend might be changing. Okay, now is, I would say, still considering sideways uptrending. And we check on the stock pick by the research house, which is first one by the M-Bank SCG Bharat. So this one is on the uptrending. It managed to spike for end of in the end of the May, spiking up, rallying, overnight closing at 102 level. Stop loss level given by the M-Bank will be 89 cents. Target would be 115 and 120. So the upper side is uncharted territory. Okay. So we check on the next topic by the M plus, which is Kenanga. So overnight closing 125 level. It mentioned by them would be buy above 125, meaning you are buying above somewhere around 126, 127. Stop loss level given will be 122. Target is 130 and 135. So this one is pretty much like a day trading or control trading. So if you don't have time to stick on your screen, better skip for these stocks, or you can adjust for your trading plan. Okay. So the next stock would be DSS. Sorry, DSS. So this one, there's a trend changing sign right over there. So overnight closing at 41 cents. It mentioned buy above 41, which is buying for 1/2 or 42 somewhere around there. Stop loss level it would be 39 cents, and the target 43.5 and 46 level. So I'm going to share the chartings in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. You can get it right over there, and the description level. So the next stock picked by the research house will be CGS Pelican. So overnight the trending seems to be strong. It managed to break the resistance level, closing at 27.5 with a 56 million share trader. This is very strong. Momentum might be coming in. So stop loss level given will be 24 cents. Target is 2.5 and 31 cents. I would say the target seems to be too near. This target seems to be too near comparing with the volumes traded overnight. If you are trading for this stock, I would suggesting you wait for the pullback slightly, because overnight up by 14% seems to be too large for the spread, highest and lowest point. So where is the better entry level? I would suggesting somewhere around 26.5. 26.5, you can queue for the 26.5 level, and you can aim for the target would be somewhere around 31 cent, and then followed by 33 cent level. Okay, so the stop loss price you can stick to the same 24 cent level. So make sure you have your own trading plan if you want to trade for it. So the next stock would be Hume Industry. So this one we can see the overall trending is moving upside, higher high, higher high, higher high. So it's now healthy, pulling back, closing at 336. Stop loss level given will be 303. Target is 351, 361 and 370. So which is the three blue lines on top. Okay, so the next stock picks by the Research House Investment Bank will be EPMB. So overnight the volume spiking up with a 7 million share traded, up by 7%. So this one potential reversal trending momentum coming in. So overnight closing 7.6 and the stop loss level given would be 6.9. I would suggesting if you want to enter for this one, you wait for the pullback somewhere around 7.5, somewhere around 7.5. and the target given would be 84 and 95 cents. 84 is rare and 95 cents is rare. So you can get the chart in the channels. The next stock would be Rojas. So this one is the sideways trending. It's a potential going to break the resistance, I would say. Volume share traded overnight would be 7.8 million share traded, closing at 3.5. Stop loss price given would be 355. Target is 435 and 495 level. Okay, so we see somewhere around here. Pretty much standard for the support resistance. Yep. So the next topic will be TSA. So this one is a newly listed stock by early of this year. After it's spiking up in the February, then it's moving sideways. The volume overnight will be 1.1 million share traded, closing at 85 cents. Stop loss level given will be 79 cents. So, and the target will be 93 and 103 level right over here. So the next research house will be by UOB MFlex. MFlex, the volume spiking, there is a potential to bounce off for the support level, and the reversals for the short-term price action is still healthy at this moment, closing at 185 level. Stop loss level given will be 155. Target is 195 and 23. So you can stick for the I think you can adjust for the first target 195 to 205, around there, 205. So because 195 is too near for the target. So the next stock would be Anju. Anju is still counters, which I did mention in the WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Still might be moving. So I have been monitoring for the steel counters in months. Okay, so we are waiting for the spiking up. So Anju is now starting spiking up for the past 2 trading days. Volume is strong, 5 million share traded, and closing at 132. So this one is playing for the uptrending, spiking up, and stop loss level given would be 125, followed by the target 142 and 153. Okay, so if you have patience for holding powers, I was suggesting you hold. I was suggesting you holding it. Okay, so the next stock would be Armada. Bumi Armada. So this one is a major side trending, healthy pulling back right over here, closing at 5.6 but there's no strong momentum at this moment. Price action seems to be not so obvious. So closing at 5.6, stop loss level given will be 5.2, and the target given by them will be 5.9 and 6.2. Okay, so I believe if you want to open an account, you can check the description link in the Telegram for the videos to guide you how to open an account with the Maybanks. So make sure you key in the promo codes. So 如果有兴趣开户口的话，可以在下面找到我的连接视频，教你怎样去 Maybank to You 去开启你的股票投资户口啦。你 make sure 你要 key 那个代码 D2069， so 过后我会帮助你啦。所以是没有额外收费。So I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.